In this video, I'll be responding to a question that was posted on one of the videos by one of my faithful subscribers. He asked, what would be the best lot size? In this video, I'll be responding to a question that was asked on one of the videos. The person asked, in this video, I'll try my best to answer a question that was asked by one of my subscribers or one of my viewers on one of the videos. They actually asked, what would be the best leverage? What would be the best leverage for somebody trading with a $100 account? So let's discuss leverage. If you do not know what leverage is, you can easily Google it. I'm sure when you made a deposit with your broker, you came across something about leverage. I will not delve too much into it, but generally, it's the amount of money that your broker can loan you so that you can actually be able to trade more or bigger sizes. Let's say, for example, you deposit $10 into your account. Your broker might be able to give you another $10, another $100, another, depending on the amount of leverage that you choose. Let's say, for example, you choose 1:100. So basically, for every dollar, you are controlling $100. So basically what it means is you do not need to have lots of money initially that you need to deposit with your broker, but you can start small, the amount that you have, and hopefully when you choose the right amount of leverage, then you can easily be able to trade more lot sizes or bigger lot sizes than your initial deposit. I hope that is clear. So what would be the right amount to trade, the right amount of leverage for somebody with a $100 account? I'm trying to answer the person. Unfortunately, the person did not tell me their experience level, where they are best, and what they are trading, because that actually determines what leverage you need to use. For example, location matters. My understanding is that if you are trading in the United States, I'm not sure about other countries, and previously my understanding was brokers are required by law not to give people more than, was it 500 or 300, not more than, you have to confirm on Google. But there is a law in the US that brokers cannot give traders a certain amount of leverage that I think it's above 300 or 500, something, somewhere thereabouts, where that's the maximum leverage. You cannot go beyond that. But you find that brokers operating outside the US, and for traders that are actually trading outside of the US, for example, with my broker, you can actually get 1:888. That's what they have. And some brokers I've seen crazy lot size leverages, 1:1000, 1:2000, or something like that. So basically, with a $10 account, you might be able to control thousands of dollars, or maybe $100, hundreds of dollars, depending on the amount of leverage that your particular broker offers you. But does it mean you need to use the maximum leverage? That's where I asked, I don't know if what level or the amount of experience the person that asked this question has. Because if you are a beginner trader, it's probably a wise idea to lower your leverage to a level where you can manage your losses. For example, professional traders are known to use between 100 and 300 lot sizing. They are known to use between 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 300. They never go beyond that. Maybe in the extremes they might go 1 is to 500. So the people that are using 1 is to 800, 1 is to 1000, 1 is to 2000, well, probably those are people who know what they are doing. If you are just starting, I probably would recommend that you use less than 1 is to 100. So you can go 1 is to 20, 1 is to 50, 1 is to 100. This is because you do not know as yet what you're doing. You do not know as yet your trading life character. You do not know yet. You do not know yet your trading style. Sorry, I got interrupted. So it's important that although there is always the temptation to use leverage to make a whole lot of money in a short amount of time, it's important that you actually protect yourself, because the opposite is also true. These brokers are not giving you all this leverage because they are stupid. What it means is, if you set your leverage too high, you are also exposing yourself, your account, your money to quick losses. You can make quick money, but do not forget that you can also make quick losses. So with your $100 account, if you are somebody who is just starting out, you do not know your way around trading, or maybe you are still not consistently profitable, I would say stick with 1 is to 100. If you are tempted, stick to 1 is to 200, but I would recommend that you remain below 1 is to 100. Anything below 1 is to 100. Learn your trading first, and if you absolutely don't know what you are doing, I would say maybe go down to 1 is to 5, 1 is to 10, or even not taking the leverage, just to protect yourself. Then as you learn things, as you learn how you trade, as you learn your style, as you learn things in the markets, then you can certainly grow from there. You can still change your leverage. But if you're experienced and you know what you're doing, I already said most professional traders, research has shown that they use between 1 is to 100 and 1 is to 300, sometimes 1 is to 500. The gamblers that you see on social media who can flip $5 into $100 overnight, certainly those guys are using around 1 is to 800, 1 is to 1000, 1 is to 2000, or some crazy leverage that their brokers are using. Unfortunately, if you are trading in the US, I don't know about the UK or Canada, or basically I don't know about the rest of the first world. But what I know in the US, I think the cap was, back in the days, was around about 1 is to 200, 1 is to 300. I think that was the leverage, the maximum leverage that brokers are supposed to give traders by law. So definitely, even if you wanted to trade more than that, you cannot, because that's what the law says in the US. So I hope this video helps you shed some light. If you still have questions that needs clarification, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try my best to answer your questions. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.